Hey there, so now I will show to you how to submit your iLecture for e-learning license basic. So you may go to develop interactive course with Studio 360. Scroll down and look for submit your interactive course here. Click. Please take note that you can submit link or upload the SCORM zip file over at the submission. And the submission will be reviewed every Friday by 11 AM. Any submission after that will be reviewed on the next Friday. Click here at Add Submission. So this is where you're going to upload your file. So just now remember, I have this type of TIFF. I will just drag and put it here. And if I want to upload a link instead of uploading the file, I will go to my module page, click on the content, and from here I will copy this link. Remember, make sure that you have this link copied, and I will paste it right here. So you will have two options to submit. First, you can use the link. Second, you can upload the zip file. And please make sure before you click submit, you tick the checkbox and save change. This is the indication that your submission has been sent up to me, and I will mark it accordingly. Thank you.